In this video, I answer the most common questions relating to glass replacement services in your home. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's Gene here from Economy Glass, your local glass expert in Hoppers Crossing. For all things glass, call me fast. The most common questions relating to glass replacement services in your home are usually based around lead times. When people break windows, they think it is of the utmost importance, it's urgent, they need that window replaced as soon as possible. Now with a lot of glass products, we actually have stocks in our factory and we can cut that glass on the side of the truck and replace it. But when it comes to toughened safety glass or odd items that we don't stock, we need to order it. Sometimes we have lead times of 7 to 10 days. Another common question that we get asked is the lead time on the replacement of some windows. It's always quicker. If available, you can bring that frame into our workshop. A lot of the time we can repair that panel same day. Another important thing to note is that a lot of people come asking for our services without the correct information to start with. This makes it incredibly difficult to quote your job. If you're reaching out to a glass replacement service, please include some photos and some accurate measurements of the window or door that you need repaired. This helps us quote you quickly and efficiently, saving you time and money. Over the years, we've done a fair amount of research on what a homeowner expects when a glazier comes into their home. First and foremost, they want you to be on time. They need to arrive when they say they will and keep you informed. Clear communication is a must. They should be dressed well, they should be clean and tidy, and they should provide you with great knowledge and advice so that you ensure that you've got the best product that should be installed in your window to keep your family and friends safe and secure. The process for organising a glass and glazing replacement in your home is very easy with Economy Glass. You can either pick up the phone and call us, you can reach us via email or one of our web forms, or you can jump on our website and chat to somebody directly using our web chat feature. Please make sure before first having contact with us that you've got clear photos of the window or door that needs to be repaired. Please also ensure that you have accurate measurements before you call us. This is really important as it means that we can give you as an accurate quote as possible, avoiding any indiscrepancies as the job progresses. Thanks for watching, I hope that helped. For more information, feel free to download our free guide or get in touch.